This is a tricky little situation we encountered whilst doing some instructor training with one of my lads.
Position for best view. Position for best view. Onto it?
Yeah.
See what I brought down here, can't you? Okay, how are we going to deal with this?
My best.
Okay. Perfect.
Do you have to use two hands? You don't.
No, right hand at the top's totally fine.
It's much better than the reverse as well.
Yeah, and where are you going to go as well?
Into this gate, I was thinking.
Perfect choice. And because they're not signalling, I would definitely stick it in front of that gate.
Yeah.
Yeah? Good.
By accident you're signalling.
You'd maybe go straight.
Straight.
Yeah. Perfect. And you should be ready to go before the motorbikes. Good. Have a little move. Perfect. Lovely little scenario.
You were hoping for that scenario to come.
Brilliant. End of the road, we're going to turn right onto the dual carriageways, won't we?